I don't have a bowl big enough for this recipe, so I'm using these two large bowls, and I'll put half of the ingredients in one bowl and half in the other. First, I'll add 1 head of iceberg lettuce that I chopped up. Next are 2 tomatoes that I chopped into bite-sized pieces. And I'll add 1 chopped yellow onion. Now I'll throw in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Then I'll add 1.5 pounds of ground beef that I let cool off after cooking. I'm using very lean ground beef. If you use a fattier beef, make sure you drain the grease from it after cooking. I had seasoned the meat with pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. I didn't add any salt to it because there's so much sodium in this recipe already, but you can if you'd like. If you're not ready to serve this immediately, then you can stop now, cover the bowls, and refrigerate them. Then add the Doritos and dressing right before serving. But we're ready to eat right now, so I'll add a 16-ounce bottle of Catalina. It's my favorite dressing for this recipe, though you can use a different kind if you don't like Catalina. And I'll mix both of these real quick. Then I'll add 15 ounces of nacho cheese Doritos that I crushed up in the bag. Mix everything together really well and serve immediately while the chips are still crunchy. I'll leave a few more tips if you'd like to pause the video and read them. Please consider giving the video a like, and thank you for watching.